Are you still using old metal halide or high-pressure sodium outdoor lighting? You could give your lighting a complete upgrade while reducing your maintenance and saving money on energy costs. NaturaLED has numerous outdoor LED fixtures that can do just that. We offer wall packs in several styles, including slim and cut-off versions, and models where you can adjust the output and color temperatures with the flip of a switch. Light up landscapes, pathways, building facades, and even signs, and stocked fewer fixtures with our new 6x6 selectable wattage floodlights. Improve safety and satisfaction with the compact area light, which is available with multiple mounting options and replaces up to 1500 watt HIDs. NaturaLED has engineered and designed our outdoor fixtures with common sense features to ensure durability and ease of installation. Contact your local Glantz rep to discover the difference.